Oh my god. Hey guys, it is 3 a.m. I'm so tired, but I'm also more hungry than I am tired. So let's go cook some brisket, you know? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm the OrangeGod, and today we're gonna be making some brisket. What is brisket, you may ask? It is the front part of a cow, like their chest, like their pecs. It's actually two different muscles. It's the flat, which is the muscle that runs on the bottom side, and then the point, which is that little lump part you see on the right hand side. Yeah, and why am I doing this? Well, for the past few weeks, I've been obsessed. Obsessed with brisket. Like, it's crazy. I've been watching all the videos, so I'm basically an expert, right? So for my first time, I was like, let's just keep it simple. Let's just have salt and pepper on here, and that's as simple as it gets, you know? So this is me putting it on the smoker. Yo, it is 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I am so tired right now. I am. I'm like, and also it's super cold outside. Like, I think it took like 16 hours to cook this brisket. It's crazy. Anyway, so while I was doing the brisket, I was like, why not just do some ribs to just, also have something else. And this is just me checking the temperatures, making sure everything's okay. Look at this magnificent beast. God damn. In that spray bottle that I have, it's apple cider vinegar and water. That seems to be like the what everyone uses online. That's what I found. It works. To be honest with you guys, this didn't come out as well as I hoped, but it still came out pretty good. Okay, so this is us at the halfway point. Wow, look at that. It is reading internally at this point like 175. So I was like, okay, let's wrap it up. I actually hate this part. Every time I rewatch this, I'm just like, God damn. Like, I'll tell. Like, let me shut up for a bit. There. Look. Every time I focus on doing like one thing, my mouth just hangs open. I'm like catching flies, and I don't even notice, and I hate it. I literally hate it. I hate it so much. Yeah, so we're back on. I think I went for another 6 hours, and this is us pulling it off. Great, amazing. Look at the ribs. Oh, I'm so hungry right now. Take me back. Take me back. I think it also started snowing. I don't know. It's just so cold. It's so cold. I spilled a little. I hope you don't see that. I spilled a little of the juice. Oh God. Hide it. Hide it. Okay, so this is me ruining the ribs. I don't know. Maybe my knife wasn't sharp enough. Or maybe it was just so, like, I cooked these ribs for like 6 hours and they were like falling off the bone at that point. They have a beautiful smoke ring. Honestly, I love barbecue now. Like, I cannot stop barbecuing things. Okay, so here's the brisket. Wow. Honestly, first impressions, I wish I had more color on it, but it still looks pretty good. And what happened next is truly the worst thing that could ever happen. So I'm like, okay, let's just lift this off the paper. It rips. I think it's going to show in a couple seconds, but it rips like this giant tear out of the meat. And I'm just flabbergasted. I'm like, I spent 16 hours doing this, and now it's ruined. How did I feel in this moment? Truly dissatisfied with life itself. Anyways, so you start cutting into it. So the flat, well, like I said before, it's separated into two parts. The flat's on the bottom. The point is that like round fatty part, right? The flat was pretty dry. And they were trying it. My family was like coming downstairs to eat some of the brisket, and they were like, "No, it's really good, actually." I'm like, "Really?" They're like, "Yeah, we really like it." And then that's when I realized that my family loves me a lot, because it really takes a lot of out of a person to just lie to someone's face like that. Because I'm being honest with you guys, it was dry as hell. Dry as hell. I was choking, okay? And they're like, this is the best thing I've ever had. And truly, if that doesn't speak to barbecue in itself, I don't know what does. Because barbecue basically is just feeding people that you love. And that's what I got to do today. Anyways, enough with the cheesy stuff. Look at me manhandling this meat, bro. Okay, so this is after. This is the bend test. It's bendy. Here's the pull test. It actually took a little bit to pull apart. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yeah, I asked my sister to film this in horizontal mode, landscape mode. Didn't happen. We're watching it in portrait, and it's gonna be in portrait for the rest of the video. I hope not. Okay, so this is the point. This is the fattier part I've been talking about. This part was actually pretty good. Like, it was amazing, actually. It was so tender, so juicy, bro. Like, I think there's a part, I cut a couple slices, but then I show it to the camera. Look, you can see the steam coming off of it. Oh my gosh, take me back. I'm like, I want more. Yeah, here it is. Wow, Jesus, look at that smoke ring too. I'm using a pellet smoke. Ugh, a pellet smoker. Sorry, I think like something just happened. I just had a stroke. Anyways, yeah, so this was basically my brisket day. It was amazing. I had so much fun cooking it. Maybe next time I'll not wake up as early. Maybe I'll do it the night before. Anyways, so here's the full plate. You can like look at how dark this smoke ring is. It's actually pretty vibrant when I look at it back now. Yeah, so we made some coleslaw, mac and cheese that requires a sacrifice, sausage. I forget what that's called. Ribs. That's what they're called. Yeah, here's a piece of the flat with some bourbon barbecue sauce. It was just amazing, honestly. And just like I was just so hungry at that point. I could have eaten anything. Well, thanks for watching, guys. New video tomorrow, I promise. You know what? Don't hold me to that.